Yes, it's possible to build your risk register without risking your sanity, and it takes less than 2 hours. Look, if you're still managing your risk register in Excel, you already know the pain. Endless email threads, constant version mix-ups, and that moment when a column disappears and nobody knows who deleted it. Well, what if you could replace all of that chaos with a single, streamlined system? One that's easy to update, keeps everybody accountable, and actually works for your team. Look, I'm Thurman Trotman, but most people call me Mr. SharePoint. For over 15 years, I've been using SharePoint and teaching teams how to work better with it. I've worked with business owners, project managers, and government teams as well to cut wasted steps, speed up workflows, and to make SharePoint actually work for the people that's using it. Now, I've taken everything that I know about modern risk management and packed it into a comprehensive course called the Risk Register Revamp. It's designed to help you build your risk register without risking your sanity. Now, in the course, I don't just show you how to build a fully functional SharePoint-based risk register. I also show you 6 ways to take your risk management game to the next level with this kind of register. Number 1, you see every risk in one central place without digging through folders or chasing, quote, the latest version. Number 2, you get instant alerts when something changes, so you never miss a critical update. Number 3, you give every stakeholder a tailored view to exactly what they need, not a one-size-fits-all spreadsheet. Number 4, you turn risks into actionable tasks with clear accountability. Number 5, you cut meeting times in half because updates and tracking happen automatically. And number 6, you maintain total control, locking down what others can change, tracking every edit, and keeping your data safe. Now, number 7, there's a bonus. You get to finally ditch the spreadsheet drama for good. Now, look, you don't need to be a SharePoint pro. That's not what I'm trying to teach you here. This course is actually perfect for first-time SharePoint users who are also long-time Excel users. And because you're already paying for Microsoft 365, you don't need to spend one more dollar on any tools. By the end of this course, you'll have a smarter, cleaner, automated risk register built for your team, your process, and your peace of mind. So if you're ready to take control, save hours every week, and build your risk register without, again, risking your sanity, then click the button to get started with the Risk Register Revamp today.